So you're thinking about selling your house? Congratulations. These are the top 10 things you should know before you sell your house. Selling a house is not as easy as you may think if you do one of these things wrong. The first 5 tips are focused on deciding the right price for your house. And the last 5 I focus on how to market your house to get the best price as soon as possible. Number 1, you want to research the current market. You want to look for similar bedrooms, similar bathrooms, and similar square feet as your house. But keep in mind that the current market is not going to determine the price for your home. These are just your competition. What is actually going to determine the price of your home, we're going to see next. Number 2, expired listings. The expired listings are homes that tried to sell before, but the owner could not get the price that he was asking for. You want to be careful not to overprice your house that nobody is interested in buying it. Okay, and number 3 is what actually matters. Those are the sold homes. The sold homes are proven records that the houses are going for that price in your neighborhood. So tip number 4, how to decide the price and the human psychology. So when you're deciding your price, you don't want to really undervalue that people would think that there is something wrong with the house and don't care to even look at it. But at the same time, you don't want to overprice it in a way that whoever is looking at your house is not going to be interested in looking further because it's already off the budget. If you price your home just under the competition that you currently have in the market, you are actually going to get more eyes on your property and more competition over buying your property. Once you set a price that people will like, people will actually go look at your place because the price is right for them. They're gonna like it, they're gonna submit an offer and probably over what you're asking for. And number 5, adjust the price for improved or deteriorated fixtures. And that's the way you select the right price. Now, the following 5 tips, I'm gonna focus on how do you market your house to make sure you get that price or even more. First, tip number 6, make your house look the best it has ever looked. This includes things like painting inside, outside, and staging your house so it looks as good as new for other people. Tip number 7, your online presence. You want to make sure that your house is listed in realtor.com, in Zillow, in Facebook, in YouTube. The more people are actually looking at your house, the best price you're actually going to get. Tip number 8, your targeted social media ads. You want to make sure that as many people as possible are actually looking at your house, or you actually want to make sure that those people are actually interested in buying your house. That's why you should actually target your ads to make sure that it reaches the right people, like people around your area, household of certain income and up, and so on. Tip number 9, tell your neighbors. Your neighbors may sometimes know a person that is interested in moving to that area. Maybe they are families that live in other cities, maybe they are friends that live in other cities, so you never know. Even they themselves may be interested in buying your house. And tip number 10, host open houses. When you host open houses, again, you want to advertise that using the targeted ads. And you want to make sure to put signs all around your house to attract more people to your home. And you want to make sure to keep track of everybody that is coming to your house during an open house. You want to make sure to get their cell phone number, to get their emails, so you can keep in contact with them. And let's say that you lower the price of your house, you can let them know, hey, I got a price reduction, are you interested, are you still looking to buy? And following these 10 tips, you can be sure that you're gonna get the best price for your home. If you have any questions, you can email me. I'm gonna leave my information around here. And if you are around the LA area and you're looking for a realtor to do all this for you, send me an email and we'll keep in touch. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching.